Hey everyone, Hardly Brief Dan here. Today I'm sharing my top 5 reasons why I think you should give Unreal Engine a try for your next project. Whether you're a new game developer or even a seasoned programmer diving into game development, this engine is powerful and capable of handling just about anything you can throw at it. Before we start our countdown, let me know in the comments below your top reasons to try your favorite engine, and maybe I'll even make a video on it. So let's begin. Number 5, community support. Unreal Engine has a great community, tons of tutorials, and loads of documentation. Now, I think all the major engines, Godot, Unity, and Unreal have great communities, and a lot of them have dedicated people trying to help others by creating tutorials, courses, plugins, assets, just about anything you can think of to help. I think Unreal Engine has a great community and a support network to help you get started in game development. From the unofficial Discord channel to the subreddit or the countless videos here on YouTube, you can find some help and guidance. And just for a little self-promotion, if you haven't checked out my free course on Udemy, the link is in the description and it's totally free to get you started in Unreal Engine. Check it out and let me know what you think. Number 4, graphics. Unreal Engine 5 provides stunning visuals right out of the box, allowing you to create beautiful games quickly. This might seem silly to have so close to number 1, but creating a visually appealing game can be very challenging. Learning how to create a gorgeous game while also trying to learn to program or just develop the rest of your game can be very overwhelming. So it's awesome that Unreal Engine out of the box looks so good. Also, having a pretty game to look at while developing is also very motivating. It can help make you feel proud of your work and provide that extra boost to keep you going. Number 3, free access and generous indie game development deals. Now, I'm going to put a caveat on this one. I'm going to say generous deals for now, but Unreal Engine is free to use, and it's great and simple to create your own games. So it's easy to get started and figure out if you even like the engine. Now, if you decide to build your game and want to launch it on Steam or even another platform, Unreal Engine currently has very favorable terms for indie developers. I know that's very important to a lot of us because of all the issues that Unity has run into, and I think for now at least, Unreal Engine definitely is indie friendly, so definitely check it out. Number 2, built-in templates. One of the hardest things to do when you first begin building your game is actually knowing where to start. If you've used other engines like Unity before, you open it up and you just have a blank blue canvas, and it can be very daunting. Luckily, Unreal Engine has some amazing templates to get you going. My favorite is the third-person template, but there is also the first-person shooter template, a top-down template, and much more. Unreal Engine has also created several large-scale games or projects that are available for free, and you can use them as the base for your commercial projects. One such project is called Lyra. Lyra is a multiplayer shooting game, and that project can be used as a base for your commercial projects. And what's so great about Lyra is that it comes with some awesome built systems and features. Think the UI, the replication system and how it replicates multiplayer, inventory systems, item systems, buffs, all that stuff is built into Lyra, and you can use it and leverage it however you want. Without further ado, my top reason why I think you should try Unreal Engine, especially if you're starting out in game development, is, drumroll, Blueprints. Unreal Engine's visual scripting solution is called Blueprints, and they are extremely powerful, and I think they are a true game changer and sets the engine apart from the others. I know there is support for visual scripting in many of the other engines like Unity and Godot, but Blueprints inside Unreal Engine are absolutely fantastic. They are perfect for quickly prototyping an idea or even creating full games. They are relatively simple to pick up for people who have little to no background in programming, and I think even easier to pick up if you do have some coding experience. Now, I will say, when I first started using Blueprints, I was pretty skeptical and unsure if I even liked them. I actually kind of missed typing and I felt like I wasn't actually programming, and it kind of felt wrong. However, I quickly learned the power of them, and I now fully understand how much they can speed up my development, and they really help make game development so much more accessible for so many more people. Blueprints are truly a game changer, and that is why I put them as my number 1 reason I think you should try Unreal Engine for your next project.